I come from a huge family. I'm the only child between my parents, but grew up with a host of stepbrothers and stepsisters who had stepbrothers and stepsisters. The best thing that has ever happened to me was being able to develop a meaningful relationship with both of my parents. That relationship was the result of the time we shared together and the lessons they were able to teach during the moments we shared. I understand the importance of family, the importance of familial relationships, and I understand the importance of making a blended family work. Many lawyers went to law school to help people and to make a difference. No matter what the Supreme Court says, corporations are not the same as individuals. Helping corporations make more money will never be as personally fulfilling as helping individuals resolve problems in their daily lives. When a soon-to-be ex wants to restrict visitation with the children, my work to ensure more frequent visits surely makes a real and significant difference to my clients and their children. I represent husbands, wives, children, grandparents, guardians, and domestic partners in many legal aspects, including divorces, child support cases, child custody and visitation rights, domestic violence injunctions, paternity rights, premarital agreements, and more. For many attorneys, the practice of family law is their last resort. They believe their clients require too much attention. I've heard my colleagues say their clients are too emotional or unreasonable. I understand that going through a divorce or a battle over which parent gets more time with the kids is in most cases the most important and traumatic occurrence in the lives of my clients. Clients who need to file a domestic violence injunction to protect them from future violence are scared, understandably so. I understand that the process can be confusing and difficult to endure. Having your personal affairs decided by a judge who you don't even know can be very scary. Because I have this understanding, I am able to better assist that father who thinks the system isn't treating him fairly when it comes to time with his kids. I can help that wife through a divorce with the person she thought she would be with forever. I enjoy helping the client who is in fear for their life and their children's lives feel better after an injunction is entered, and in some cases, defending against an injunction that was maliciously filed by a scorned opposing party. Some clients say, I want an attorney who is not going to agree to anything. I want a pit bull who will give the other party a hard time. But what's important to remember is that when I'm no longer in the picture, when the case is closed, the judge and I get to go home to our families. And the parties, our clients, have to put together the pieces of the train wreck that is now their family, that the attorney helped them create. In my cases, I know my clients still have to be a family after the case. And although I'm an aggressive advocate and fearless in the courtroom, I am always mindful of what's in the best interest of that child that just wants their parents to get along. Helping real people get fair solutions creates the most rewarding and worthwhile experience for me as an attorney. I use my experience as a former prosecutor and skills as a trial attorney to negotiate fair and equitable resolutions for my clients. And when a fair resolution can't be reached, I proceed to trial. And trial is what I do best. There is no greater feeling than seeing a parent reunited with a child that has been withheld from that parent, or the sigh of relief a client takes after their lengthy divorce is finalized and they get what they rightfully are entitled to. I wanted to be a lawyer since I was 8 years old. I always wanted to be in a position to help people, and I am proud to say that is exactly what I do on a daily basis. I reunite parents with children. I guide my clients through tough divorces. I help my clients reach agreements that are in their best interests and in the best interests of any children involved, and I help them do so in the most cost-effective and ethical way possible.